In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change this background on Google to a GIF or GIF. It's up to you what you want to call it. So let's get started right away. So what we want to do is we want to basically, search. Well, let's say I'm just gonna search for a GIF just like this, but you probably just can actually search something you like. Well, this seems pretty cool. So what we are going to do is we're just going to right click on it, then click on save image as, save it wherever you want, but you basically have to do this. So select a folder you want, as I said, but after the name, type in .png, and then instead of GIF image, make it as all files. And then what you basically want to do is just click on save, and you will just download this GIF. Then go to a new tab, and we can just close this out actually. Click on customize at the bottom right corner. Upload from device. Select the GIF, then click on open. And as you can see, this is now our background. And yeah, that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. And I'll see you next time. Have a good day.